I'm here at SM Clark right now and nakita ko dito near the fountain is itong kiosk called Clark City Check-in. So lumapit ako kasi kala ko kapag may flight ka sa Clark, pwede ka na ditong mag-iwan ng luggage mo. Tapos sila na magdadala sa airport. Hindi pala, para lang siyang lounge. Pero not bad, 'di ba? So look. You can check in online. And then, they have a luggage repacking station. So, meron silang ganyan, no? And then, you could also borrow one of their lockers if you need to. So, sabi ni ate, libre naman tong mga lockers na to. As long as the mall is open. And then, you can tambay here. Ayan. O, diba? Not bad. May nakita tayong bagong service about Clark City Check-in.